Welcome to our channel. In this video, we're going to share with you 10 simple habits that can help you achieve sustainable weight loss. These are small, actionable changes you can make to your lifestyle that can add up to big results over time. Let's get started. Drink more water. Drinking plenty of water is essential for weight loss, as it can help you feel full and prevent overeating. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water per day, and consider swapping out sugary drinks for water or unsweetened beverages. Practice mindful eating. Mindful eating means paying attention to your food and eating slowly and intentionally. This can help you enjoy your food more, prevent overeating, and develop a healthier relationship with food. Get enough sleep. Sleep is essential for overall health and well-being, but it can also have a significant impact on weight loss. Aim to get at least 7 hours of sleep per night, as lack of sleep can disrupt hormones that control hunger and appetite. Eat more fiber. Fiber is a nutrient that can help you feel full and satisfied, and it can also help regulate digestion and blood sugar levels. Aim to consume more high-fiber foods like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Move more. Physical activity is essential for weight loss and overall health. Aim to get at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise per day, and find activities that you enjoy, such as walking, cycling, or swimming. Practice portion control. Controlling your portion sizes can help you consume fewer calories without feeling deprived. Use smaller plates and bowls, and measure out servings of higher calorie foods like pasta and rice. Keep healthy snacks on hand. Having healthy snacks available can help prevent overeating and make it easier to stick to your weight loss goals. Consider keeping snacks like fruit, nuts, or veggies and hummus on hand for when hunger strikes. Reduce stress. Stress can have a significant impact on weight loss, as it can trigger overeating and disrupt sleep. Find ways to manage stress, such as meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises. Avoid sugary drinks. Sugary drinks like soda and juice can add a significant amount of calories to your diet without providing much nutritional value. Consider swapping these drinks for water, unsweetened tea, or other low-calorie beverages. Practice self-compassion. Remember, sustainable weight loss is a journey that takes time and effort. Practice self-compassion and focus on progress rather than perfection. Celebrate your successes, and don't get discouraged by setbacks.